Does a substance really exist that can help us play chess better? Chess is a highly complex game that demands intense concentration, extensive study, and above all, determination. It's easy to give in to the temptation of relaxing and stop searching for solutions, which is why chess is considered such a demanding sport. At the highest levels of play, doping has already become an issue. Let's take the classic example: anabolic androgenic steroids. Anabolic refers to muscle growth, while androgenic relates to the development of male sexual characteristics. These synthetic derivatives of testosterone are typically used by athletes seeking to boost their performance or by individuals aiming to increase muscle mass, body weight, and strength through training. Needless to say, every sporting authority bans their use. Still, many competitors continue to take them to gain an unfair advantage. Chess, however, is a mental sport. Muscle strength or physical appearance plays little to no role. There is no magic pill that instantly turns someone into a chess prodigy. Knowledge and skill can't be swallowed. Yet, as in any competitive field, ambition often leads people to push their physiological limits in search of an edge. Some resort to prescription drugs, often designed for medical conditions, hoping to improve focus or stamina. But it's worth stressing, if you're healthy, you don't need any such substances. Only a medical professional can determine whether treatment is appropriate. Some players experiment with drugs that combat drowsiness, regulate heart function, or stimulate the central nervous system. At the extreme, certain substances may even induce hallucinations, but seeing chess pieces floating on the ceiling hardly helps. You still need the knowledge to evaluate a position accurately. Concentration over long periods is crucial in chess. That's why some players look for ways to stay alert throughout a match, while others turn to substances that help them stay calm, since tension and stress during a game can be intense. Gaining even minimal control over bodily reactions can provide a slight edge when facing an opponent of equal skill. Of course, such tricks are useless if you're a club-level player sitting across from a grandmaster. And speaking of grandmasters, yes, there is a dishonest shortcut to beating one: electronic doping. This means using chess engines which can instantly calculate the best moves and provide winning sequences. Today, it's obvious that computers far outclass human calculation, but 30 years ago the idea was far from certain. That changed in 1997 when IBM's Deep Blue shocked the world by defeating the reigning world champion. Unlike humans, computers don't get tired. They can analyze millions of positions per second, while human players must rely on principles and heuristics to limit the possibilities. This inherent difference makes computer assistance the most dangerous form of cheating. For this reason, international chess bodies strictly ban electronic devices of any kind during competition, even headphones, smartphones, and nowadays, smartwatches. External communication is also forbidden, since an accomplice could easily feed positions into a chess engine and relay the best moves to the player. The most widely discussed recent case is that of Hans Niemann and Magnus Carlsen. Carlsen, the world's top player, accused Niemann of cheating during a match. Speculation quickly escalated, with some even suggesting the use of vibrating devices hidden in, shall we say, very uncomfortable places to transmit coded signals. While such claims were never proven, they highlight the extreme lengths to which some individuals might go to exploit technology. This has forced chess organizations to adopt increasingly strict measures. Could the future of chess see not only electronics checks, but also drug testing? One might even wonder if energy drinks or sodas could one day be considered forms of doping. That seems far-fetched, of course, but the question remains, where should the line be drawn? What do you think? Should substances, whether chemical or electronic, be considered a real threat to the integrity of chess? I'd be very interested to hear your perspective. Share your thoughts in the comments.